Introducing the Smoking Gun by Breville. Used in professional kitchens and bars around the world, Breville have updated their commercial version for the home kitchen. You can now effortlessly add a smoky flavour to all your food and drink creations at home. With the Smoking Gun, you can add a rich, smoky flavour to all sorts of foods, like sauces, nuts, meats, cheese, cocktails, you name it. Using the Smoking Gun is simple. It comes with everything you need to get started. There's applewood and hickory wood chips that you just place a pinch of into this metal chamber here. Take whatever you plan on smoking and create a container for the smoke to sit in. The idea here is to get the food and smoke in contact to really infuse that smoky flavour. You can use things like bowls with cling or plastic wrap film. This is particularly good for loose items like popcorn.
Cutting and slicing takes forever. What a mess! And cleanup is a pain. Introducing Clever Cutter from JML, the 2-in-1 knife and cutting board that chops and slices food in seconds. The razor-sharp stainless steel blades slice through food quickly and easily without the need for a chopping board. Unlike scissors, Clever Cutter's secret is the power pressure handles that automatically open for quicker, easier slicing to cut through food fast. Clever Cutter slices up to 10 times faster than ordinary cutting boards and knives. Just look at the difference. Quickly chop an entire fresh salad. Slice pepperoni and cheese with ease. Cut potatoes for hash browns for a quick, easy breakfast. Cut onions so fast you won't shed a tear. Quickly slice spicy sausage and peppers for a divine dish. The wide mouth even cuts bread beautifully, wide enough to slice apples. Top eggs with veggies for a healthy, excellent breakfast. For lunch, carve a classic chicken Caesar salad. Slice steak in seconds for a quick, delicious dinner. Garnish your favorite dish with fresh herbs for meals bursting with flavor.